Guys, our lasagna is done. We're just gonna cool this down and then we're going to eat. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be. Welcome to my channel. We're going to cook a lasagna. So first thing we have to do is we're going to cook our sauce. So we're starting here with warm pot. So we're gonna pour some olive oil. The meat that we're going to use in our sauce is ground turkey and a Italian sausage. So we need more fats in this, but we're just trying to do some healthy cooking. Alright, we're gonna pour some our garlic. I just chopped my garlic properly. So that's how it looks, our garlic. So next, our onion. I'm just gonna saute the onion and garlic. Next, our sausage. I'm just gonna saute this again, and then we'll put the ground turkey. Next, we're gonna put our ground turkey. We used to like 10 pounds of ground turkey. I'm just gonna mix this. I'm just gonna saute until it brown. So we're gonna put our spices. We're gonna put black pepper, Italian seasoning, oregano. I'm just eyeballing everything. Gonna put some salt. That's a lot of salt. But anyway, this is turkey, so turkey you need to put a lot of love so that you get the good taste on it. So we're just gonna mix this, and then we're gonna pour our spaghetti sauce. So next, we're gonna put our fresh basil. I love using fresh herb in my spaghetti sauce or lasagna sauce because fresh herb, it does give a distinct flavor to our pasta sauce. So if you don't have fresh basil, that's fine. You can use the dried one if you have that available in your pantry, or you can exclude that totally. So now we can just we're gonna pour our spaghetti sauce. I'm going to put a tomato paste, 1 can. Tomato paste is giving some dark red color to our sauce, so that's why I'm using it. And also because I have this in my pantry and I want it to get expired, so I'm using it now. So I'm just gonna mix this up and then we'll put the rest of our ingredients. Now we're gonna put our garden combination spaghetti sauce. It's pre-made. I'm just using the pre-made one. So now we're gonna pour, it's a garden sauce combination. We're using 2 of this. And then we'll just let this simmer until all of our ingredients combine together. So guys, we're cooking turkey lasagna sauce right here, and this is done, and we're just gonna let this cool down, and then we're gonna start assembling our lasagna pasta. We're just gonna let this cool down, and then we're gonna turn off the heat, and then we're gonna cook our lasagna pasta. Right here guys, we're boiling water for our lasagna pasta, and I'm using Barilla. I'm not gonna put some salt in my water because I have a lot of salt already in my sauce, so I don't want it salt. I'm just gonna put it like that, and then we'll let it boil until the pasta will cook. So alright, we're just gonna let this cook and then we assemble our pasta. While our pasta is cooking, right here we're gonna mix our cheese filling. So we're gonna use 3 eggs. Let's bang my camera. So we're just gonna whisk this one. And then we're gonna pour our ricotta cheese. So we're using like 320 ounces, 907 grams of ricotta cheese. We're just gonna pour the right here. I'm gonna use all of it. I'm not gonna save it for whatever. So I'm just gonna whisk this up with the egg. So next, now we're gonna put in our ricotta and egg mixtures, mozzarella cheese. I'm using 1 bag of it. It's 8 ounces. That's how it's. Gonna put it there, and then we're gonna use Parmesan cheese. Same thing, 8 ounces. And then we're just gonna mix it up. I know we want our lasagna filling to be really good and gooey, cheesy. Black pepper, and then we're just gonna mix it up. This is it, our cheese mixture filling of our lasagna. So we're gonna assemble them now. So our pasta sauce or lasagna sauce is cooked. Our cheese filling is done, and our lasagna sheets or pasta is cooked. So now it's time to assemble. So this is the pan that we're going to put our lasagna. So we're gonna start assembling our lasagna. So we're gonna first thing put some sauce under. That way you want our lasagna sheets will not stick in our pan. So we're just gonna spread it evenly, and then we put our sheets is still hot. So bear with me, guys. I'm just doing it like that. So we're just gonna keep continuing. So that's how it looks. So we're gonna pour the sauce again over the sheets or the pasta. My hands is clean, okay? And then we're gonna put our cheese mixture. So that's how it looks. Now we're gonna put another layer of sheets, and then we're gonna keep building this up. Our second layer. So we're just gonna pour another sauce like the way we did in the first layer. Second layer, and then we're gonna build up for our third layer. So look at, guys, we made 2 layers of 2 pans of lasagna. So we're gonna put some cheese on top of it. Whatever cheese that we use in the filling, the same thing in our topping. So I'm using 1 bag of Parmesan cheese and also 1 bag of mozzarella cheese. We're gonna get a even consistency in our cheese topping. We're gonna mix it up just like that. We're not gonna put anything in this. We're just gonna mix it up because cheese have also salt in it, so we don't need to put some salt. Alright, we're just gonna tap our cheese on top of our pasta. We want to put plenty of cheese in it, so that way we're gonna get the lasagna. We are very generous of putting cheese in our lasagna. Look at that! 1 box of lasagna pasta or 2 container of lasagna. So now it's time to put it in the oven. We're gonna bake this into 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to an hour. Alright? Before anything else, we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil, so that way we're gonna get the melted cheese consistency. So we're gonna put this in the oven again. our lasagna is in the oven. So we're just gonna wait for like an hour and then we're gonna take it out. We're gonna take aluminum cover and let the bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Here we go guys, our lasagna. I already removed the cover. We uncover it so that way our cheese are melted. So we're just gonna make brown crust on top of it and then we're gonna remove it. It's like about 5 minutes more to go and then we're gonna remove it from the oven. Guys, our lasagna is done. We're just gonna cool this down and then we're going to eat. We're gonna slice some of it. Thank you so much guys for watching and I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and you can leave your comment down below. See you on my next video guys. Happy New Year to you all. Bye!